Understanding Cross-Site Scripting, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that bridges the gap between language and technology. We're going to explain what cross-site scripting, often abbreviated as XSS, is all about. Whether you're a language learner, a budding programmer, or just curious about tech jargon, this video will clarify this complex term in a simple and easy-to-understand manner. Let's get started. First, let's break down the term cross-site scripting into parts to understand what each word means in this context. Cross. This implies something that goes from one side to another, crossing boundaries. Site. In our context, a site refers to a website on the internet. Scripting. This is a type of programming that tells computers what to do, often used to make websites interactive. So, putting it all together, cross-site scripting involves a situation where a script crosses from one site to another in a way that it's not supposed to. Cross-site scripting is a security vulnerability found in web applications. It allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into content from otherwise trustworthy websites. This means that an attacker could potentially take actions on behalf of a user, steal information, or perform other malicious activities without the user's knowledge. There are three main types of XSS attacks. 1. Reflected XSS. The malicious script comes from the current HTTP request. 2. Stored XSS. The malicious script is stored on the server and executed when the data is retrieved. 3. DOM-based XSS. The attack method involves the document object model, DOM, of the website, manipulating the website's appearance or behavior using client-side scripts. To understand better, let's consider a simple example. Imagine you're writing a comment on a blog, and instead of a regular comment, you input a script. If the website is vulnerable to XSS, this script could execute and perform actions or steal data from other users who view the comment. Protecting against XSS involves validating and sanitizing all user inputs to ensure they do not contain executable code. Employing Content Security Policy, CSP, headers that help to control which resources are allowed to load. Using secure programming practices to design web applications with security in mind from the start. Thank you for watching our video on cross-site scripting. We hope this explanation clarifies what XSS is and how it impacts both users and websites. Remember, understanding these concepts not only helps in learning the English language but also in navigating the digital world safely. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.